Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video, where we will understand how to double your account in one day. This is the recap video of 43RR and 55RR in GBPUSD. Let us start with the structure mapping from higher time frame, then mark the point of interest, then wait for the change of character to take the entry. Now I'm in bar replay mode in the 4-hour time frame. Here 4-hour time frame is chosen as the higher time frame. Let us start to mark the initial break of structure to identify the trend. Market has broken it and confirmed the uptrend. Let us wait for the initial pullback to mark the liquidity. Once it is taken, which it's called liquidity hunt. Now once the market is breaking the high of the pullback, then higher high is confirmed, which is called break of structure. So let's replay it. You could see the market is closed above this higher high. Now we are waiting for the market to give the pullback. You know how to identify the valid pullback. If not, go back to our channel and watch my previous video. If the previous candle low and high is taken in uptrend, then it is called valid pullback. Now you can see this candle has taken out the previous low and next candle's taken out the high, which is confirming the valid pullback. Always the first pullback will act as the liquidity. Once the liquidity is taken out, let us mark the point of interest. We have only two types of point of interest. One is after the initial pullback, second one is extreme point of interest. Here we are waiting for the extreme zone to get mitigated, is because we see different types of liquidity. First one is flip liquidity, second one is change of character liquidity. Subscribe to get more videos on liquidity and point of interest. Now let's wait for the market to come and mitigate the 4-hour point of interest. You could see the market reached 4-hour point of interest. You could also take entry directly from this zone. Or you could refine the zone further by going to lower time frame. Now let's go to the 15 minutes time frame to refine the 4-hour point of interest. Always the last candle before the up move is called the point of interest in the uptrend. There are some criteria to mark the point of interest. If you see here, this is the last candle, which says big banks have sold to buy, which triggered this big move in the buy side. Let's mark this as a point of interest. And let's wait in the 15 minutes time frame. Let us give bar replay. The market is coming down towards our refined zone and moving up to take liquidity in upside to trap the traders and coming down to our zone. We use 1 minute as entry time frame. Now let's go to 1 minute time frame for entry. And mark the previous swing high or pullback. Once the market goes above the previous pullback, then market is changing from downtrend to uptrend. If you see here, this is the previous pullback or maybe previous swing high. So if the market is moving up and taking out the previous swing high right away from our point of interest, then let's confirm that market momentum is changing from downtrend to uptrend. Let's give bar replay candle by candle. You could see here now market is just moving down below the swing low. Now the swing high is changed. The swing high before the swing low is taken is acting as the change of character. Now this would be the swing high and will be the change of character. If the market go and close above change of character, then we could think of taking the trade. Let me draw this for you. If the market goes up and close above this point, then let's say the market is really gaining the upward momentum. This swing high would be moved as long as the swing low is broken. Now let us give bar replay again. Again you could see this low is broken. Then our swing high also will be moved from last point to our new swing high. Because this is last pullback. You have to be really careful in marking the change of character. If you mark wrongly, then you may miss your entry. Now market is going down. Wait here until you do not see any candle above our change of character line. Now again market is going down. Let us change the change of character again to the last pullback, and wait for the break. Now you could see the market has broken the change of character. When you're looking for the change of character here, there is no rule saying that the market should close above this change of character. Even the break with candle wick is confirmed as market is going to go up. And now you can mark this last candle as your point of interest. Now we marked it. We could take entry as soon as market tapped this zone. This last candle high is our entry point. We do not want to refine it further, because this is 1 minute time frame and you may miss the move sometimes. Our last candle high is 1.23551. Let us enter the same value. Low of our point of interest candle would be our stop loss, or you could keep 1 or 2 pips low as stop loss. What is our target? Let's go to 15 minutes to mark our target. To mark the target, we should understand how to identify the liquidity. Now we have to mark the liquidity. Liquidity is nothing but, big banks are seeing more orders at one point. Mark this as our initial target. So you can see the trade is, around 43 risk reward. This is our first entry. Let's go back to 1 minute again. This entry is called risk entry. Second entry is called safe entry, where we have to wait for the market to take liquidity after the change of character. Now where is the liquidity? Liquidity is below the candle which broke the change of character line. And also you can see, market is tapped many times and moved up and making equal lows. Means there are a lot of stop losses. Let's see what is going to happen. The market is moving up, moving up, moving up. And I'll take the next entry if the market is coming below this liquidity. I'm going with big banks. And with the same stop loss. This is my second entry. Let us give bar replay again. See, market is tapped our second entry zone. What is our target? Let us go to 15 minutes time frame. Target is still same as previous one. So this our target. Now you can see this is 55 R&R, so I'm going to 1 minute now again to give bar replay. You can see the market is really going up. And still you could also take some other entry in between. Mark the structure in 1 min time frame and identify the liquidity, mark the zone. Wait for the entry. There are different types of entries. Subscribe for more videos on entry types and other videos on smart money concepts. Let's wait for this to meet our target. I'm going to 15 minutes to give the bar replay since this is taking time. Next video would be to mark true SMC market structure. Oh yes. The target is done. This trade is 55R and first entry was 43R, together it comes around 98R. This is how you could double your account in 1 day using true SMC learnings. To summarize, 1. Identify higher time frame trend. Point 2. Mark liquidity and zone. Point 3. Refine the zone. 4. Wait for change of character in lower time frame to take entry. 5. Set higher time frame liquidity as target.